Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Close CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Close CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Close CRM account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing multiple customers and different sales timelines can be time consuming, and Close is a popular CRM to manage all that process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in close.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create a Close CRM account, you're going to click on this button here, try for free. Once you do that, they let you know you don't need a credit card to sign up for a free trial. This promo varies from time to time. Now, in order to sign up, you can sign up with your Google login, or you can do what I do and enter your first name, last name, and email. So I'm going to enter that information in off screen. Okay, once you enter that in, they're going to ask you to create a password. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, Close CRM sends me a confirmation email that I need to verify my email address. So I'm going to open up that email and click on the link. Okay, a quick second later, close.com opens up my CRM. So they're going to ask you a few questions as the onboarding. So first you can go ahead and connect to your Microsoft or your Google or other email provider. I'm going to go ahead and skip that by clicking here. Okay, here they're asking how I heard about them. What's your role on the team? So I'm going to go ahead and click marketing. Now they're asking how I'm going to be using close.com. So just exploring. And here they're asking channels I use to communicate with my leads. Okay, so once you fill that out, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, next they're asking what your company name is, website, industry, and how big is your team. I'm going to enter this in off screen. Okay, now they're asking, do I currently use a CRM? So I'm going to click no. Okay, next I'm going to click here, finish setup. Okay, a quick second later, it refreshes into my Close CRM dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start adding in my contacts and setting up my Close CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Close CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.